Today, we're gonna learn how Pokémon are made. That hat seems familiar, and so does that tail. Make sure that lid's on tight. Congratulations! It's a Pikachu! Aw, they grow up so fast. Yeah! Let's hope this Pokeball's bigger on the inside. Pikachu keeps losing socks. Thanks, Dolly. They're kinda small, but just plop some magnets inside. Now your socks will always keep close together. Wow, it's like a Pocket Monster's Pocket Monster. And it's got plenty of pimples for popping. Now cut off the top of this glue stick. Fold it in some paper, make holes, and the pimple-popping fun never has to end. Ooh, a loose string. Let's pull it. Careful! Oh no! You ruined her dress. It's okay. We'll make you a new one. A sweet noodle skirt and a rainbow belt top. Wow, it looks good enough to eat. Oh, Magic Pokeball. Got any snacks? Wow, rainbow candies! But why eat them when we can have some fun? Add water. And let the rainbow in. Now give any or all your white toys a whole new look. Poor Dolly, she's got splinters. We need to make you some shoes. Good, we've already got your size. Wrap a balloon around it. Maybe add something unique. They're Pika shoes. Candy's dandy, but let's clean those teeth. But your toothpaste could use some help. Add this broken toy right on top. But we should fix it up first. Now it can help dispense toothpaste. Just in time. Now, let's get brushing. Ooh, ice cream. Wait a minute, what's going on? Oh, it's Play-Doh ice cream. Make some scoops and pour on the whipped topping. Blue, green, it's a cone fit for Bulbasaur. Now let's add some caramel sauce. And who can say no to sprinkles? Am I seeing double? It's Dancing Pikachu! I know he's an electric type, but let's check the battery. Oh no! Not Mini Pikachu too! Here, this should help you recharge. Better yet, let's get back to basics. Now let's get dancing! A balloon! They blow up so fast. And they don't last too long. Add a marble and blow it back up. Why don't we make a face while we're at it? A few, in fact. The gang's all here, so let's party! Halloween came early this year. Don't worry, we've got a plan. Take this mask and hide a lollipop inside. Just make sure to fold it in place. Try not to chew on it. Success! What else can we try? It's important to eat your fruits and veg. But eating healthy can still be fun. Just put the produce on a toy train. After all, trains make everything more fun. Now let's see if you can catch something. It's like a conveyor belt buffet. Hey, don't sleep on the tracks. That shock looks familiar. It's another Pikachu, and he's got wheels. Let's take him for a ride. Don't need a license to drive a Pikachu. Still, some driving classes wouldn't hurt. Now who's gonna clean this mess? Well, you made it, sorta. So let's get sweeping. Ooh, it's a Pikachu pen topper. Take him off and get sketching. Wow, look at all those colors. And wait till we turn up the heat. So, what are we drawing anyway? Ooh, it's a fastball. And look who's inside. Look, it's a ball inside a ball. Add water to see what's inside. Get out the Nanotape. Our new friends need a tank. Fill it up with resin. Maybe add some color. Careful, I wouldn't squeeze it. Unless you want to get wet.
Here's how to make a parfait without a cup. Be careful when pulling things. Never mind, that looks fun. Our little unicorn friend really needs to work on his aiming. But maybe he's got an idea. Tie-dye shirts. Probably don't have to use a toilet for this. But why let a perfectly clean toilet go to waste? Look, it practically does the mixing for you. For once, the toilet used its clogging powers for good.
Yeah!
That shirt looks amazing. Sure you don't want to wash it though? Self-sealing water balloons. Finally, who has the time to seal balloons? And gravity does the rest of the job, filling up this bathtub. Oh, they're so squishy, but they have their limits. Hey, careful with that horn. When it comes to water balloons, go big or go home. Hey, the other ones could have stayed. The more the merrier. On the other hand, maybe quality trumps quantity. This giant balloon sure is durable. I think he's trying to stretch it into a bodysuit. Still, don't push your luck. Sure, he sold his hair, but now he can buy that watch chain. Or better yet, we can just make some new hair. add the clay and our little customer on top. Just press the lever, and we have more options than just blonde or brunette.
Yahoo!
Save that hair. We can use it for our new craft. Make into a rainbow. And cut it into a heart. Look, it's a new earring. Or any accessory you can think of. No, he's not having breakfast. He's getting this pop-up toy for our next craft. Not only is this toilet a lot more colorful, it's more fun. The original button needs a little something special too. If you get a little bored, there's plenty of popping to do. And you don't even need to use your hands. Looks like he's gonna strap himself in. Nature is just full of surprises. Careful, you don't know where that frog's been. Well, that's one way to get candy. Let's play it safe and not kiss the flamingo. But giving him a snack probably won't do any harm. Uh-oh, our pink little friend is doing that dance. Good thing its toilet is close by. He must really like that candy. Look, free cheese! What could go wrong? We could just eat it as is, but it's much more fun shredding it. Now let's add sauce, like ketchup or mustard. Or better yet, all the colors of the rainbow. Now grilled cheese is just a little ironing away. Rainbows have never looked this good. Let's eat. Wow, he's really tearing into it. Guess he doesn't mind the crust. Now our little mouse won't resist. Looks like the sink's clogged. What's in there? On the plus side, your stuff's all clean. Luckily, this bath bomb might just do the trick. It's a cloud with all the power of a rainbow. Down the drain it goes. We could just give the sink a rinse. Or we could have some fun. Let's make our own rainbow. Now we have our own custom-made bath bomb. And what better place to use it than the bath? The sink can't have all the fun. Maintaining that baby face of his sure takes a lot of work.
Wow!
No sense letting all this shaving cream go to waste. Let's add all the colors we can. Can't tell if he's making a rainbow or just one big super color. Time to rinse. Good thing he wears his sneakers in the shower. Now for the downside of wearing shoes in the shower. Ugh, those mats are ruined. Maybe we can put them to better use. Just cut them out, giving them a little space around the foot. Stack them up and make some brand new flip-flops. We know they'll fit, but walking in them might take a little practice. Didn't exactly make the landing there, did you? Are you sure you can fly? You even got a magic feather? Well, at least with all these ribbons, part of him can ride the wind. careful now. You're a unicorn, not a Pegasus. Remember, it's not what you can do. It's how cool you look doing it. So apparently, unicorns sweat rainbows. And here I thought they were just a reflection of light. At least it cleans up nicely. The bathroom's the perfect place for a new craft. Let's stretch it out. First, with a brush. Next, add some water. Hey, there's something on your foot. When it comes to presents, the package is always the best part. Kids and cats throughout history can't be wrong. And look, with a little folding and stapling, we can make a heart.
Wow.
And another. And another. Keep on stapling. It's the perfect thing to spruce up this room. Just make sure everything's secure. Some artists are really into privacy. I'd see a doctor about that. Or maybe a farmer. Maybe we can have some fun with this egg. Every artist needs to find their medium. Besides, this is great practice for Halloween. Still, a brush can help add a little touch-up. Uh-oh. Looks like you've purled when you should have knit. Let's make this sticky situation a little stickier with glue. It'll help keep the yarn in place for us. And now hang up your work. Rainbow-rific stuff. Catch you next time.